Today we're building a plant basket out of live plants. First, I would like to talk about some containers. We have lots of choices. We have baskets with liners. We have a basket without a liner that we could use. We have clay pots that are painted. A regular clay pot would work just as well. A decorative dish makes a nice planter for some small plants. Makes a nice dish garden. An old bucket would be cute. A shallow dish. And these work really well for desert dish gardens. Similar to our little cactus friend here with the rocks and the cactus. Although regular plants could be put in here, they wouldn't live in the dish as long. You would have to transplant them after a few months. But in a big basket like this, you could leave them in there for about a year and then transplant them into different containers. So we need to choose what kind of basket we're going to use, or what kind of container we're going to use for our plant basket today. And I think we'll use this one with the liner built into it. It comes with a plastic liner. If you don't use a plastic liner, of course, like I said before, you could use a sheet of plastic, and that's 4 mil thick, so it won't let the water through.